Get your turbine, fly that.
Yeah, nobody's here, fly it.
No. King. Lenny's asleep. I'm sure Lenny's sleeping.
Throttle cut.
You.
Not a lot of planes that are faster than this.
Normal mode.
My F-5 is.
Not by much though. I bet you if I put an FMS fan in it, it'll be just as fast.
It'll be faster.
I have no desire to change it though, so.
It's perfect. Leave it as it is.
The lights on this thing look good though. This one of my better light installations. I'll go first, so you go first.
Doesn't matter to me.
I love how I have an 80mm fan, but you're like the same size as me and have a 70.
China.
Ready?
Go for it. You go first.
Gear up.
Yeah, you are. You're gone. Holy crap. I'm still doing pretty good though for a 70. Sure. Fiery booty's on fire again on there, baby. Oh yeah, baby.
Taco Bell.
That thing is stupid fast. Makes me, and this thing is fast too. Mine's fast, but you make it feel slow.
Look at my triangle plane. Unsafe, coming up next.
Yeah, I'll be behind you.
That wasn't very unsafe.
This is.
Oh yeah? You want to have an unsafe contest?
No, it's okay. Ah.
Okay, imagine Lenny just watches this one video. You guys are gone!
You're fine.
I was over the fucking grass when I did that pass.
I was over our head.
I was behind us at one point, I think. I need to calm down. I need to give my batteries a break.
I'm using a 30C, so mine's fine.
I'm only flying a 4000. That's all I have room for. I can't fly a 5 in this plane.
5000 30C.
5000 this plane, it'd fly like a freaking brick.
You know what? This is a light pack. I bet it would be fine in there.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Nice.
I think I'm better landing my talk than any other plane.
Oh, we got like 2 minutes.
I'm gonna taxi out.
Go ahead. I got plenty of time.
Look at that, Ray.
Oh yeah. Oh mama. Oh, I'm stalling. Crap.
I'm getting the fuck out of here.
I saw that.
I was stalling. We must have been in each other's wake.
F-22, let's do a flight together.
Unsafe low path!
No, please. Not with that thing. No! Oh my god!
Woo!
That was, okay, I'm sorry. That was a little bit too much. Look at the burner.
Fire booty! Hey, buddy!
All right, Nate. I'll go behind you if you do another pass.
Burner again, Nate? The one that you have?
Light burner?
Yeah. Oh, it's light burner? Yeah.
We don't burn light here. What are you talking about?
Better than that Gooniac.
What is that Gooniac?
What is that? What's Gooniac's EDF?
Well, you don't want lights to burn, so if it's burning, something's wrong.
5,
Go.
4, 3.
Gooniac versus EDF Station. Sounds like a guy who named his afterburners Fiery Booty and wears a Fortnite shirt.
That's right. Fortnite, baby. Don't even know how to play the damn game.
He's legit wearing a Fortnite shirt, guys. Give him,
I don't even know how to play the game.
shit in the comments, please.
My kids hate it.
I'm doing a high alpha pass on the right.
I'm gonna try to do it with you.
On the right? Oh, shit. Okay, I'm going to be kind of higher than
And turn up my gyro.
medium high, so just go pretty low. Not low at all.
Is that you?
I'm power off. I'm just coasting.
Yeah, me too.
I'm going to do a low pass from the left, guys.
I gotta come in soon. Ensue the Fiery Booty!
Low pass from the left.
I always get nervous with this plane because if the motor starts to die, it just falls like a
Falls out of the sky.
Are you gonna come in soon, Ray?
No, I'm good.
Alright, I think I'm gonna come in.
Isn't that cool about that plane?
Alright, landing from the left. You wanna follow me?
Yeah, I'm gonna follow you.
I love that F-22 flat, like when you just yank on the elevator, it does a flat spin.
It does a flat spin, yeah.
It's so
If
awesome.
you know what I do, I corner the right stick.
Yeah,
in
you
the,
just
One
no.
minute
But that
over.
kind of makes like a rolling right spin, like flat spin. It's not. It doesn't. It's not as cool as like the real.
Oh, Ray.
Whoa, Keyon got in there. That was nice.
That was good. I got scared for a little.
Oh, what are you getting scared for?
Dancing wave thing.
I think these are like the right size differential too. The F-35 is quite a bit smaller than the 22. I've got plenty of power left. I'm just going to do some high alpha
All the way
stuff.
off to the right side. Alphas. If you guys want to get real off to the right side. Nice, yeah.
Oh, jeez.
Hey! I'm right there above you.
That'd have been funny if y'all hit.
Smack!
Alright, I'm clear, guys.
So
Jackson,
if we do any formation, I'll be on your right wing. On the outside of whatever turn you're
Okay,
doing.
so I'm going to be closest to. If you're going to be on my right wing,
Yeah.
then I'm going to be closest to us. And I'll do kind of like
2
a high.
minutes.
I try to be on the outside of whatever turn you're doing.
So right here.
So there, I'll just do this.
Keyon, hold the LFE, Keyon. Just hold back stick and slide. That's how
Yeah.
That's the best way to do it.
Yeah, so it's kind of no.
When you got all that power, you can punch out.
That's true. Things when it picks up, it just goes. That's
Yeah.
the nice thing about ADAS. It's just got punch.
All right,
Clear down.
I'm coming in.
You're gonna land. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm
Right
gonna
now.
land after you. Listen to this.
Takes forever.
Oh, I missed it. It took so long. I couldn't even hear it. Yeah, I'm gonna do that again.
Yeah, my battery was down to 3.7.
Oh, my nose
I
gear's
think I
down.
landed.
Okay. That's
Very nice, Ray.
My gyro's up. That's why it was so perfect. Come on in if you have to.
Listen to this.
Oh, come on. Damn plane. I heard it.
Landing.
Oh, I should be taxied in by the time you get here. Come on in. I'll be closest to us, so don't worry about it. You're good. Go on. Come on.
I'm gonna try something new.
I'm very close to us, so don't worry about me.
It's the bottom.
Keyon,
That was cool. All right, what do I have to fly next? I got to fly my little F-18.